Hey guys, what's up? This is your girl Kundai Karen Mangena, and I'm back again with another video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also, leave a comment down below if you enjoyed watching this video. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to cover up these flip-flops, sandals. You can call them whatever you want. Okay. So the fabric that I'm going to be using is called soft knit. So I'm also going to be using the glue gun, and right now, as you guys, sorry it's a bit blurry, I was out of focus. I was just applying glue and I wanted to be a little closer to where I was, so I'm just going to be applying glue to the first part like so. I hope you guys can see or get the hang of it. I really do apologize. So after applying the glue, what I'm going to do is to start wrapping right round. So here, just putting the glue to make sure that it's fastened and it's really tight. If you don't have the glue gun, you can use fabric glue or whatever glue you have, glue contact adhesive, whatever glue you have, that would work. So right now I'm just wrapping right round the fabric, the tulle, right, the soft knit or tulle, whatever you would want to call it. Yeah, that's the one I'm going to be wrapping right round. So the thickness of it, I cut 10 inches, right? So you can minimize, you can maximize, it's all up to you. It depends on what you want and your preference, right? So I'm just going to be continuously wrapping right round till I get to the end. Okay, so this video is sponsored by Dear Lady N. She's a Christian content creator, Christian YouTuber. She's really led of the Spirit of God. So she's got this mentorship program called the Irresistible Women Mentorship Program. Like, it is amazing, it is awesome. It is for all women of all ages who want to discover who they are in Christ. She really helps you build your esteem, discover yourself, find healing in God, and so many other amazing things. So she's got packages that she offers. So what I'm going to be doing for you guys is just to leave the link to her mentorship program. If you're looking for somebody who can give you counsel, wise counsel from God, and it's super amazing, guys, please click that link. Okay, if you're looking for mentorship from a wise woman of God, a woman of power, a woman of authority, just an interesting person. So I will leave the link down below. You guys can check out the Irresistible Women Mentorship Program. I mean, by the time you are done with the program, you will be definitely irresistible. So yeah, don't forget to also subscribe to her channel. Check out her channel, check out what she does, and definitely click the link below. Okay, so please do use my link. It's got a discount code. So yeah, do click the link below. So yeah, that's just about it. So I was just telling you guys as I was wrapping. So you continuously wrap till you get to the end. And this is how you're gonna do it at the end. You're gonna put your glue, yeah, like so. So here I was just checking to see. And then again off camera, because I think it was out of my reach or something, to go ahead to put the glue. So this is just to make it stick, and now because there's a black part showing, I also put glue again and then take it out. Yeah, sorry guys, I was out of frame. I didn't need to. I did not need to. So I've got exams, and unfortunately I can't do the video necklaces and stuff like I promised. I was a bit hectic, so they take time and they need patience. But once I'm done, definitely I will give you guys that content. So once I'm done with the exams, I will show you guys how to do it. A lot of necklaces, these are the ones that you guys requested when I was offline. So you see guys, that's just about it. Like, look at how cute these sandals are. once they're covered like this. And this is just a plain part, like it's not like any drama. You can you guys can just leave them like this. So make sure that you get white ones. I had to use this because I was given this by my friend, and you know. So now I'm going ahead to put the beads. So I'm just putting them in random patterns. There's no like particular pattern for the beads, but yeah, this makes it look, shimmery, like blending, like not so ordinary. But if you like simple and you don't like drama, you can go ahead and have them playing like that. It will still look cute. I love the vibe that the stuff made the two ladies giving it.
Oh God, nothing is impossible with you, God. You make the blind eyes to see. You make the lame to walk. You raise the dead, yeah. Jesus, we give you glory. We give you praise. Hamukundikani. Somebody just give the Lord a hand of praise. Somebody just put your hands together for Jesus. In your word, you say nothing is impossible, so I'll stand on your word. When troubles come to hit me hard, I know in you I'll find my refuge, and also you never fail. Mighty, 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 mighty God, you never fail. Oh, mighty, 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 mighty God, you never fail. Say your word. Yeah. You say nothing is impossible, so I'll stand on your word. When troubles come to me hard, I know in you I'll find my refuge, and also say you never say your word, Lord. You say nothing is impossible, so I'll stand on your word. When troubles come, yeah, I know in you I'll find my refuge, and also say mighty, 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 mighty God. You never mighty, mighty, mighty God. You never say Monaco,
So ta-da, we are done. This is just about it, like most of it. So yeah guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Also leave a comment down below if you enjoyed watching this video. This flip-flop, sandals, whatever you call them, it's so cool for weddings and all. So bye, subscribe, like and share. Comment as well, okay? Comment down below, okay?